Hey friends, if you wish to change the subnet mask in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's not exclusive. You can change it along with the IP address while setting a static IP. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the active network connection and select properties. Now double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following IP address dot wait, I'll set it 192.168.1.3, and default gateway will become 192.168.1.1, and subnet mask will pop up automatically. Now can you change it? Yes, you can, and then you can click on OK to save the settings. Okay, but yes, obviously the subnet mask has to be a sensible one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.